Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will do some translations. আজি আমি কিছুমান ট্ৰান্সলেশন কৰিম, অনুবাদ কৰিম। এক নম্বৰত আছে এইবোৰ পকা আম। These are ripe mangoes. These are ripe mangoes. দুই নম্বৰত আছে সৌবোৰ বনৰীয়া মহ। Those are wild buffaloes. Those are wild buffaloes. এইবোৰ মোৰ কিতাপ। These are my books. These are my books. সৌবোৰ পখিলা। Those are butterflies. Those are butterflies. সৌবোৰ চৰাই। Those are birds. Those are birds. এইবোৰ আপেল। These are apples. These are apples. সৌবোৰ জন্তু। Those are animals. Those are animals. মোৰ এখন চাইকেল আছে। I have a bicycle. I have a bicycle. তাৰ দুজনী ভনীয়েক আছে। He has two sisters. He has two sisters. মোৰ দুখন হাত আছে। I have two hands. I have two hands. সিহঁতৰ এটা পোহনীয়া মেকুৰী আছে। They have a pet cat. They have a pet cat. মোৰ বহুত বন্ধু আছে। I have many friends. I have many friends. এইজন ৰমেনৰ দেউতাক। This is Roman's father. This is Roman's father. ৰাজুৰ ভনীয়েক এগৰাকী শিক্ষয়িত্ৰী। Raju's sister is a teacher. Raju's sister is a teacher. সিহঁত কমলৰ বন্ধু। They are Kamal's friend. They are Kamal's friend. সেইখন জোনাকৰ গাড়ী। That is Jonak's car. That is Jonak's car. মিনাৰ খুৰাকে বজাৰলৈ গৈ আছে। Mina's uncle is going to market. Mina's uncle is going to market. মই নিয়ৰৰ ভায়েকক লগ পাইছিলোঁ। I met Nior's brother. I met Nior's brother. যদি ভিডিঅ'টো ভাল লাগিছে লাইক কৰি দিব আৰু চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিব। ধন্যবাদ।